Good morning everyone. Welcome to the first episode of the Frequently Asked Questions series. Moringa is basically a fruit juice made from one of the most powerful superfruit that is also called as Moringa citrifolia, commonly also known as noni. This tree grows around the world, especially in the tropical belt. Do you know why is it called Moringa? Basically, it was the European botanist who traveled to India and found this amazing tree, named the fruit Moringa, basically the fruit from India. Noni is considered as a staple food in many places. But the taste is really awful. It is not easy for someone who has never tasted the noni fruit to have it at the first go. I'm sure he would just puke out. This awful taste is also a validity for its high nutritional content. Noni was also used as a starvation food, especially to be consumed during the famine. Starvation foods are those category of foods that are easily available and a cheap source of food. Ever wondered why noni could not find a position in the supermarkets where all the other vegetables and fruits are sold? There are two reasons. One, definitely the awful taste, and the second is the stigma attached to it, called as the starvation food. Most important to note that it was a medicinal food plant which was used in the folk medicine thousands of years ago. Ayurveda, India's ancient healing system, also mentions about this fruit, in which it is known for its amazing anti-aging properties. It's called as Achuka or Akshika in Ayurveda. It's also mentioned that it helps in joint pains, skin conditions, intestinal complaints, especially parasitic infections, which are very common in children. The most common way to consume this fruit, which is still prevalent in Asia, is to make a juice out of it. I think for the people who are just new and want to know a little bit about what this fruit is, this information is good enough for you to take the first step to consume it. It's pretty safe, and definitely this nutritionally packed superfood can help regain your health and maintain your vitality. Noni is a blessing in disguise for women, especially young girls. It can be called as a woman's best friend, a girl's best friend. You know why? Because it fits amazing health benefits that it gives to the woman, especially the uterine complaints, gynecological problems. It actually helps in maintaining the regular menstrual cycles for women. Hence, even as a teenager, one of the best fruit juices that you should be drinking every day is noni juice. And you can see the wonders it does on your skin and hair. So, as a woman, one of the most important fruit juices that you should be drinking every day if you want to maintain your good skin, your good hair, and maintain your regular cycles, the best choice is noni juice. Moringa citrifolia's amazing ability to calm down your body, to calm down your nervous system, and to reduce your stress has really worked wonders, especially for people who work in a stressful environment. Could be your professional stress that bothers you, could be your disease or illness stress that bothers you, could be your relationships stress that bothers you, could be you're addicted to something like smoking or alcohol. Moringa citrifolia or noni can really help you in managing the stress. If you're still going through the sleepless nights, make sure you sip into Noni or Moringa. It will really help you sleep like a baby. The current global fruit juice market is expected to reach 257 billion by 2025, according to a new report by Grand View Research Corporation. The reason for the expected rise in demand is increased health awareness, rise in disposable income, and seemingly reduced demand for soft drinks and non-alcoholic beverages. So, if you're considering a business opportunity, here with DXN you have a chance to take your share of this highly potential juice market, where superfruit juices like Moringa are considered to be in the premium segment. That's all from me today. See you in the next episode of DXN's Frequently Asked Questions with yet another interesting question. Until then, take care, stay healthy, and happy always.